Good morning. It's a rainy, cold day on our little mountain here. A lot of snow happened last night, but today we are going to finish up installing all the permanent posts and then hopefully some girts if the snow melts off the roof so we're not having rain just fall right on our backs or our necks. So we'll see how far we get today. So yesterday was very stressful doing the lift. We had trouble with the first jack where I think it was just binding weird or something, just getting started. Like we had the foot anchored in the ground too close or something like that. But I ended up bending one of the arms that go up on the first jack. So luckily we had a spare jack that had a nice heavy duty farmer style 1/4 inch wall pipe on it. So I was able to use that instead. But yeah, it was started on a rocky note. And we noticed too that because all the jacks that we are using are new, they have paint on the bar right here, and that was binding and galling. So we sprayed everything down with WD-40. That helped quite a bit. But it was super rewarding to see the building start going up and up as we lifted. We stopped when the Harbor Freight jack that we had started to buckle on us. Yeah, we just leveled it up after we got to that point. It's not terribly bent, but I think it's probably about an 1/8 inch out, and I don't want to risk it and have it buckle even faster or more. So we called it there. We probably could have got another 4 inches out of it, but as you go up on these jacks, it gets more and more sketchy, and I didn't want to risk it. So the final lift height is about 2 foot 2 inches, and we're gonna be happy with that. We'll be able to get the bus in, and trucks or equipment or anything else we need. So we're still on jacks for right now, but we were able to get 4 of these posts finished out with the permanent arrangement yesterday after we got the building up. So to finish the columns permanently, this is what we're doing here. We have a new treated 6x6 post with 2x6 sistered onto either side with structural screws and nails in it. And this post goes into the concrete, and I'm using the existing plates from the builder and re-putting the bolts back in at the bottom so they're tied in nice and tight. And yeah, it's not going to go anywhere. So that's the finished thing. Once we have the building completely on its new legs, then we'll pull all this bracing off and put up traditional pole barn purlins on the sides here, and then the end wall will have that nice tongue and groove. Now that we got the bottom of the old post removed, I need to basically true up the bottom side of the post that's remaining. That way we get it nice and flat so we can measure a good length for the replacement post that goes in here. Sharpie on a soaking wet. She is so soaking wet.
I know. You need some water? Here, go, doggy. Roof water.
How is it? Want more?
If you want more, you have some in your dish.
I'm gonna have you try to lift up on the jack so I can get this post under.
Okay.
Higher, higher.
Oh my god. Can I have a break?
Yep. Now that it's under, I can probably do it myself.
I can help some more.
Okay.
Just need a break.
I need to
Here,
get
I
this.
need to be taller too.
Yeah, I need to square this up.
Okay, is this okay? My butt's in the shot. Do you want to move the camera?
Yes, please move the camera. Put it over here.
You have to have bloopers for that one. I don't know what's happening. Oh, you're showing me. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
I think you're almost to the jack at the top.
Get as far as we can with the jack in there.
Yeah.
I think I'm against it now.
Okay. Oh yeah. My handle keeps going down more.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
Whew. Whoa.
Okay, I'm against that. I just
All
need
right.
to, I need the little driver for the Tapcon screws. I think it's on the table.
Yeah, I think it is.
This is the dangerous part. Oh, no load on it. That's good.
That's good.
Okay.
Where would I find a utility knife?
Oh, Dad's taking both of mine, I'm pretty sure.
Edward.
There we go. Ooh, that went way easier. Thank you. I'll probably need another thing of nails.
I just saved you.
Okay. Helpful coworker who just sits just like this and just watches me work.